So hello guys, welcome back to another video of scientific molecules. Today I'm going to do a video on what if the all planets were in a same orbit. Please make sure to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below which part you want in the next time. So with no more talking, let's get right into the video. So as we know, all planets revolve in their own orbit and won't interfere in other planets' orbits. They never get out of their orbits, and they always stay in their orbits, and they always revolve around the sun. This keeps the planets in their path and won't make trouble to other planets. So if all the planets were in the one orbit, then it could cause some problems and it could make some benefits. So let's first talk about some problems. First problem would be the planet speed. As we know, all planets are not having the same speed. So the fastest revolving planet is Jupiter, and Jupiter is the largest planet. So if Jupiter revolves fast and if Jupiter clashes to another planet, then that planet will clashes to another planet and it will create a huge explosion, and it may be an end to the solar system. So as we know, Jupiter has the most powerful gravitation force in the planets among the solar system. So if you have watched my other video, you may have known that the tidal force is caused due to the gravitational force of moon in our oceans of the earth. So think a situation in which this Jupiter tidal force affects the earth and we would be dried up very soon. There is a very high chance of collision also. So as the case I told before, this would be ending up in a collision. Third problem would be the meteors and satellites of other planets. Among the major powerful gravitational force planets, we have Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These planets are also very fast. So in case if these planets attract some meteors, there is a chance that these meteors should not hit them, but it may hit other planets. The other problem is these planets have many satellites and they are orbiting around these planets. So if our planet's gravity interfere their planet's satellites, then there is a big chance that those satellites will come crashing into the earth, and there is no telling what will happen if we can survive or not. But the biggest chance is, of course, everyone in the earth will die. Next will be the day and the night period of the earth. Even now, the planets like Venus is one of the most brightest object on the night sky. So if these planets are that much close, then it would be creating a very large problem in our timings of day-to-day life. So now let's talk about some good things that may happen. So this one would be one of the most interesting and one of the most needed thing for the astronauts and the space researchers. It is the travel time. Since they are all in one orbit, it would be much easier to travel from one planet to another since they are much more closer than before. So traveling cost would be very less and we could discover some new things easily and many other things that we can do if these planets are close or in one orbit. Next is the existence of life. We can actually find it out in which orbit they belong to. So if the planets are in the orbit in which now the earth is orbiting, then there is a very high chance of existence of life, since it is the actual or right temperature for the existence of life or organisms. So there is a high chance that we could meet and other organisms from other planets, and maybe we could become friends with them, but there is always a chance there could be a war between them. If we take it a friendly manner, then we can take our intelligence and their intelligence, and we can create many things, and maybe then we could be improved with their help and they could be improved by our help. So that's what will happen if all planets were in one orbit. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't watched the other videos, please watch these other videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.